went to the theaters to watch Jug Jug Jio, and all I can say that the movie is a total flop movie. Total flop. मतलब इन लोगों को लगता है कि ये लोग कुछ अलग फिल्म बना रहे हैं, हटके फिल्म बना रहे हैं. Means they are trying to change the cinema. They are not changing the cinema. They are making कबड़ा of cinema. कबड़ा कर दिया पूरा पिक्चर का. मतलब क्या डायरेक्टर दिखाना चाहते हो भाई साहब, क्या दिखाना चाहते हो? डायरेक्टर राज मेहता. Whole movie is about divorce, and that divorce is shown like a joke for 2 hours 30 minutes. One time the couples are getting united, divided, united, divided, united, divided, united, divided. ना ड्रामा है, ना कॉमेडी है, ना इमोशंस है, ना कोई रोमांस है, कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. मतलब जुग जुग जियो देखने के बाद मैं बोलूंगा जुग जुग मरो. The makers are saying that this movie is a family movie, it seems. I don't know this type of family even exist in this world or not. मतलब बाप का चक्कर चल रहा है, बेटी का पूरा चक्कर चल रहा है, बेटा का पूरा डिवोर्स का पूरा इशू चल रहा है. एक बार यूनाइट हो रहा है, एक बार डिवाइड हो रहा है, एक बार यूनाइट हो रहा है, एक बार डिवाइड हो रहा है. मतलब क्या चल रहा है मालूम नहीं है. और इन लोगों का ड्रामा सीरियल देखकर यूनाइट डिवाइड, यूनाइट डिवाइड, यूनाइट डिवाइड, यूनाइट डिवाइड देखकर ऑडियंस का पूरा कबाड़ा, मतलब पूरा दिमाग का पूरा कबाड़ा हो रहा है और पूरा टॉर्चर हो रहा है, सरदर्द हो रहा है ये सब देख के. एंड ट्रीटमेंट, डायरेक्शन बहुत ही घटिया है. मतलब सीरियल जैसा है डायरेक्शन. इट्स नॉट लाइक अ मूवी, इट्स लुकिंग लाइक अ टीवी सीरियल, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. मतलब क्या बोले भाई, क्या बोले. मतलब कोई, मतलब कॉमेडी के नाम पे पूरा छिछोड़ेपंथी. मतलब नॉट इवन अ सिंगल कॉमेडी डायलॉग इज वर्किंग, नॉट इवन अ सिंगल सीन you can see in the movie and say that वाह भाई क्या देखा मैंने. मतलब something is there, something to learn or anything. मतलब this type of movie if you watch, no, seriously यार, your brain also will become kabada only, seriously, after watching such films. मतलब क्या बोले भाई, क्या बोले. Only thing positive of this movie was maybe the songs is the only positive of the movie. And another thing which is very positive for the movie is that I got 50 rupees discount for the ticket. That was only the positive I can say. Talking about the performances, पूरा नौटंकी बस, पूरा नौटंकी. All the actors पूरा नौटंकी. None of the actors stood out. None of the actors. Be it Varun Dhawan, be it the heroine, be it Anil Kapoor, be it anyone. None of them stood out. पूरा कबाड़ा, honestly speaking. मतलब this is not actor's mistake, honestly speaking. I must say that this is pure direction blunder, that's it. Direction blunder. The director failed. That's it. There is a dialogue in this movie of Kiara Advani, heroine's dialogue is there. To Varun Dhawan, she says that you failed as a husband, I failed as a wife. Tomorrow you are going to fail as a son. And I want to say that the director also failed to direct the movie. The producers produced a nonsense product. And this film is also going to fail at the box office massively. That is only I want to conclude. My ratings for this movie is 0 out of 5 stars. Yes, as a film it is 0 out of 5 stars. Maybe as a TV serial, soap opera serial I can give 1 out of 5 stars or 2 out of 5 stars I can give. For a serial I can give. But going to the theaters, it's not worth any money or anything. That's what I want to say. And one more thing I want to say is that why such films are given so many screens, I really don't understand. Hardly there were any audience. Only 15 of them were there in the theaters. 15 of them were there in a 400-seater theaters. Only 15 of them were there, and after interval, 7 of them ran away. After watching the kabada, 7 of them ran away, and remaining 7 of them were giving galia on the screens. In a multiplex audience are giving galia. That much of torture it has given. So why such visionless director's film is given so many screens, I really don't understand. No vision only. No vision. In this movie, I didn't even understand what is the objective of the director. Is he trying to glorify the divorced couple, or is he trying to glorify engaged couples, proper couples, those who are keeping the relationship, marriage work for long time? Means, is he trying to glorify divorce, or is he trying to glorify long-term marriage? What he's trying to glorify, God knows. Because whole film, united, divided, united, divided, united, divided, united, divided. That's all is going on. Nothing else is going on. So no vision only, nothing is there. It's shocking really. I think this director Raj Mehta, before he has directed Good News movie, that was a good movie, good message, good comedy was there. This was a complete blunder. I really don't know what nonsense is going on. Really, I don't know what is going on. Matlab, none of the things work for me, none of the things. Recently, the producer of this film has given big bhashan saying that if Bollywood makes a movie like KGF, it seems, then people are going to tear us apart and is going to troll massively. Is going to troll us. Boss, you forgot that in 1970s and 80s, your mentor, the late great Yash Chopra Saab, made Trishul, Diwar, then all those movies. Means big, brilliant movies where Amitabh Bachchan has given back-to-back blockbusters after blockbusters of the blockbusters of the blockbuster in a single year. He used to give blockbuster after blockbuster. Those movies used to run 720 days, 1000 days in the theaters. It used to run. People used to flock around the theaters and मतलब advance booking में इतना भीड़ और इतना तमाचा मिलता था कि पूछो मत. And Amitabh Bachchan and all the actors that time used to work so hard, so damn hard they used to work. They used to work morning shift, afternoon shift, evening shift, after night shift, late night shift. मतलब six shifts they used to do that time. And they used to produce, each actor used to give 7 films in a year. That much hard work they used to do. And people used to be so much passionate about cinema. And nowadays, what is going on here? Not even 15 people are there in the theaters. Not even 15 people are there in the theaters. This has come down. And he is giving big bhashan. Arey yaar, South industry people are keeping the cinema alive. They are keeping the cinema alive. This year, 4 industry hits has been given. 4 industry hits. Means all time. Vikram was an industry hit in Tamil Nadu. Kollywood industry hit, then KGF was a Sandalwood industry hit, RRR was Telugu Belt industry hit, and all those films are giving industry hit. And in Bollywood this year, not even a single movie has crossed over 200 crores. आपको कोई शर्म नहीं आता ये बात कहने में? आपको शर्म नहीं आता है कुछ? From where the industry has gone down to the gutter, and you are giving big bhashan in the press conferences, and the media journalist also is encouraging such bhashan. नॉनसेंस इडियट्स. ये सब जुग जियो, फिर गहराइया, ये सब पिक्चर करने से और इंडस्ट्री डूब जाएगा, और इंडस्ट्री डूबेगा. कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. चेंजिंग द सिनेमा, इट सीम्स चेंजिंग द सिनेमा वाज डन ऑन 10th of this month. Charlie 777, that was changing the cinema with one dog and one dharma. Your production house name is Dharma Production. Real Dharma was shown on 10th of this month. Real dharma was shown. Real bond between a dog and a hero was real shown. That is out of the box, changing the cinema. It made audience cry. People shed their tears. That movie has done well in the box office also. 20 crore budget movie, 80 crores. It has done out of the box cinema. What type of nonsense is this? No emotions, no chemistry, no romance. Comedy के नाम पे छिछोड़ापंती. No drama also. Nothing was there. मतलब पूरा नौटंकी. कोई विजन नहीं, कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा करके कैसा चलेगा?